Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will go down until you find Telegram. And you will click here in this page. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.